Alright, hey guys, we're just gonna do a really quick video right now. I'm gonna show you how to block people. Now, it doesn't matter if you have played with them, if they're in your friends list or not, you can still block them as long as you have their username. So, after you find them, so this is where you accept friend requests, this is your recent players and so on. You can just go and look for them. So once you find them, make sure to block them. So just to give you an example, I'm just going to type in SD just as an example. Then I'm going to show you how to actually do it. You go on and you block. Okay, so that's your first step. Don't do it for this guy, for example. So don't do that. But that was just a random one that I wrote in. What you guys do want to write in is another one. I'm going to show you my block list. And usually you want to do this because somebody was extremely toxic or anything like that. So after you do that, just go into your first tab and you're going to see all these options. Just go into blocked. So you're going to have all those toxic people in here. And you can report any of them really. And here we go. This is a perfect example of somebody that you guys could even test it out and block him as well and then report him. So right here you guys are going to see more options. So this is somebody that I haven't played with ever before. I haven't even have them in my friends list or anything like that. But they were just somebody that was extremely toxic and racist in the chat of the stream. So we ended up blocking and now we're going to report them. So you can go right here. You're going to hit report yes, and there you go. Right here you can do whatever makes sense. So offensive language is the first option. You should do that. Now if the person that you want to report did anything else, then you can go on and do anything else. But don't report somebody if they did like an emote on you because they won a match or anything like that. So there's no need to do that and report them for that. That I don't find even toxic myself. However, offensive language, on the other hand, when they're really going at it, being way too toxic, you can do that. So make sure to do that for this player, for example. We're going to do that. And right here, you can just go on and put accept. Then you can send out the report. And then you can just close it up. And that's how you guys can report somebody from Fortnite. Whether they're in your friends list, not in your friends list, played with before, haven't played with before. And that's how you do that. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate.